Today, I'll be reviewing the Acorns. My goal is to help and support you in utilizing Acorns effectively. Introduction to Acorns. Acorns is a micro-investing platform designed to make investing accessible to everyone, particularly those who might feel intimidated by traditional investment options. Founded in 2012, Acorns offers a unique approach by rounding up users' everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the spare change. This automated system helps users gradually build an investment portfolio without the need for large initial capital. Real-time demonstration. One of the first things I want to highlight about Acorns is the ability to see your investment projections in real time. This is one of my favorite features. For our demo account, we're investing about $20 a week, along with some additional roundups. This tool shows you how even small amounts of money can grow significantly over time. For example, with our weekly $20 investment and roundups, by the age of 74, the account could potentially grow to nearly $250,000. This is a powerful illustration of how small, consistent investments can have a large impact over time. You can adjust the amount you're investing and see how changes affect your future projections. Ease of use and risk tolerance. Acorns is incredibly user-friendly, perfect for those who don't want to delve deeply into individual stocks. The app manages your investments based on your risk tolerance, doing all the work for you. It invests in diversified ETFs, such as large companies like JP Morgan, Google, Meta, Nvidia, and Amazon. If you want to adjust your risk tolerance, you can easily do so in the app. The more aggressive your risk tolerance, the higher the potential returns, but also the potential for greater fluctuations. Conversely, a more conservative approach means lower potential returns but also less risk. Account features. Acorns offers several key features. Roundups, automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. Recurring investments, schedule automatic deposits into your account. One-time deposits, add extra money whenever you want. Investment projections, see how your investments could grow over time based on different contributions. Subscription tiers and pricing. Acorns has 3 subscription tiers. Lite, $3 per month, includes basic investment accounts. Personal, $5 per month, includes investment accounts, retirement accounts, and checking. Family, $9 per month, includes all features plus custodial accounts for children. Additional features and benefits Acorns also offers. Found money, cash back from purchases made with partner brands. Learning resources, in-app educational content to help you understand investing. Emergency fund, higher tier subscriptions offer a checking account with a competitive APY for emergency savings. Pros and cons. Pros. Easy to use, ideal for beginners. Automates savings and investments. Diversified portfolios managed by a robo-advisor. Educational resources and customer support. Multiple account types including retirement and custodial accounts. Cons. Monthly fees can be high for small balances. Limited customization of portfolios. No direct customer support via phone. Conclusion. Acorns is an excellent starting point for anyone new to investing or those who prefer a hands-off approach. Its automated features and user-friendly design make it easy to start investing without needing to understand the complexities of the stock market. While the fees can add up for smaller accounts, the benefits of automated investing and long-term growth potential make Acorns a valuable tool for building wealth over time. That wraps up our detailed review of Acorns. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.